In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted Autocad drawing. Losing an important DWG file can feel stressful, especially after spending hours working on it. But in many cases, AutoCAD's backup and autosave features can help you recover your work quickly. Let's start with the easiest solution first. If you accidentally deleted the drawing recently, open your computer's recycle bin and check whether the file is still there. If you find it, simply right-click the file and choose Restore. That will place the drawing back into its original folder. But if the drawing isn't in the recycle bin, don't worry. AutoCAD automatically creates backup files while you work, and that's usually the best recovery method. Go to the folder where your original AutoCAD drawing was saved. Inside that folder, look for a file with the same name as your missing drawing, but with a .bak extension instead of .dwg. This is AutoCAD's backup file. Before doing anything, make a copy of the BAK file so you always have a backup in case something goes wrong during recovery. Now, right-click the copied file and choose Rename. Change the file extension from .bak to .dwg. For example, if the file says project.bak, rename it to project.dwg. Windows may warn you about changing the file type. Click Yes to confirm. Once that's done, double-click the renamed file or open it directly in AutoCAD. In many cases, your drawing will open successfully with the most recently autosaved version of your work. A quick tip: to avoid losing work in the future, make sure AutoCAD's autosave feature stays enabled. You can also shorten the autosave interval